Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Lionel Messi came to Jamaica and it was absolute madness. Jamaicans who always act like they're not easily impressed by people completely lost it, right? People were crying, doing whatever they could just to catch a glimpse of Messi, and I'm sure you have seen the videos. So Cavalier made all this possible, yet barely got any support from Jamaicans. Instead, everyone showed up just to see Messi. Inter Miami played Cavalier. Messi was benched for the first half of the game, and when Messi came on later on in the game and scored, the crowd went wild. Now, there was an incident where a young ball boy who received a jersey from Luis Suarez only to have it stolen. And to make things even worse, the thieves even posted a picture with the stolen jersey. Now, the police are involved, urging them to return it. And this is what it has come to, right? You have people just stealing jersey. People go, yo. It's really funny to see, but this is the young man who lost his jersey.
No boy, my dog. Oh my God. No boy.
So the ball boy that got his jersey stolen, eventually the jersey was returned, and that's a good thing, and we love to see it. And it was a celebration in his community, in his hometown. Check it out.
Come back out to the jersey there. Come back out to the jersey there. No boy, my dog. Oh my God. No boy. Fuck to them.
One of the funniest moments was when a ball boy was just walking casually, beside Messi. But the second the security noticed, they shoved him aside. It was hilarious, it was funny. Come for many of these kids, just to see Messi, just to touch Messi is life-changing, and I'm sure you will now see many of these kids come up the ranks to become great football players in the Jamaican league, are also getting, transfer, are also getting, the opportunity to play overseas, like the Leon Bailey and all of those players. And I'm sure Messi visit to Jamaica will inspire thousands of, Jamaican kids, and for them to take football even more seriously, even though we already do.
Get the lock now. You get lock, you know. You get lock. Don't touch me. Hey, stop pushing me. If you put that fire, he's a police. My police. Police outside of them uniform,
boy can't fly out, but nothing nice like Jamaica. Must bring foot and banana. Under the tail, jumping at the river when me ready to create. No boy can't buy me out, me Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna feel. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, love. We wanna see Jamaica love.
No, I'm gonna be honest. I'm really happy that something like this happened. You know what I mean? Messi visit to Jamaica was just more than football. It's, as we know, you know what I mean, a historic moment of, you know, having one of the greatest football players ever, you know what I mean, to touch Jamaican style. And remember, you know, from the moment I heard Messi was going to play Cavalier, I did a video, you know what I mean, updating people and letting people know that Messi will be touching down. So said, so done. So you know what, the anticipation was unreal. You know what I mean? Fans were already booking hotels, you know what I mean, and making sure that, oh, them they are stadium gate. You know what I mean? So when Messi finally touched down, and them can make sure say, yo, them no miss the opportunity for reach in the stadium. And I love to see it. I love to see it. You know what I mean? This is something where I can say, you know, Jamaicans can get the pass for. You go crazy for your football legend, because you know Jamaica love football. Messi from Argentina, but Jamaicans love, you know what I mean, Messi. And you know Jamaicans is naturally Brazilian fans and France fans. And you would say Argentina fans are more just so Messi fans. You see me? So it's something that I love to see, you know what I mean, because again, for many of these youths, seeing Messi will inspire them to become great football players. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. You know what I mean? We are track and field, you know what I mean, country and everything, but we also love football, and football have a stronghold in the hearts of Jamaicans, and seeing Messi in person will definitely be motivating these youths, because if this has happened, if this had happened in my days, may I tell you, say this would have just the next day, the first thing me do, I try if you go buy a football. Me go buy a football and make sure say, yo, me go practice every day. You know what I mean? If me did actually one of the ball boy, then me get to touch Messi hand. You understand me? I say, so this is a great thing for the youth them, and I just the youth them really and truly happy for. You know what I mean? Me really and truly just happy for the youngsters who have this passion about football. Because when me look at youth, a football me did want for, you know, professional football player me did want to become, but you know, life changes and life happen and all these other things. So I just one of them thing there. You see me? So big up, you know, Messi, big up Suarez for give the youth the jersey, and you know, Jamaicans, you know, them love the whole viral thing, and that little situation they gone viral, and then boom, the youth get back in jersey. So you know, everything is merry, everything is good. So big up Messi, big up Suarez, big up Cavalier, you know what I mean, and then make it possible again. And yeah, man, that is it, man. Alright, so that's the video for today, just giving you an update on the whole Messi situation, you know what I mean, big up Messi, but again, Christy is the real GOAT. Don't come at me.